Mazda has recently surprised customers by requiring them to sign up now for a subscription in order to keep some of their services. So now one of them is remote start. Now you might think to yourself, well, how can they make you pay for remote start? Because you just have the button on your key fob and you just go blip and it goes bloop and then the car starts. Well, Mazda got rid of the little key fobby blip and bloop a little while back, and now it's just a phone app. And and they've decided that, we're tired of giving it to you for free because you spent way too much on our new cars that have no innovation but a little software and a couple of sensors and stuff. They decide they want $10 a month. And that's just for
fucking bollocks. This is absolute bollocks.
Yeah. And this is like we said a while back when BMW started. We said, you watch, because this is going to become rampant. And here it is.